Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Township. This will basically give you unlimited cash and coins in the game which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there such as free shopping, unlimited cash and coins, farming and much more. The first thing you need to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you already have Township fully installed and updated on your phone. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. The next step is open your favorite browser and go to this website. In the search bar, type is the Township++ and press install. Once the loading is finished, this is last step. Township++ is already installed for my Android or iOS device. Thank you for watching.